In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Minecraft on MacBook. So let's get started. So first of all, search download Minecraft on Google and then click on the first link. And then you'll be redirected to a page where it says download for macOS. So just go ahead and click on that. And then you can just save this file, which is the installation file. Now once it's downloaded, just go ahead and click on it, then drag Minecraft onto the applications folder, and then you're gonna wait and it should be downloaded. Okay, now what we're gonna do is you can just close the pop-up, click on launchpad, and then search Minecraft, and Minecraft should open. Just click open. Just put in your password real quick, allow. So wait for it to launch. It's gonna go full screen. Oh, perfect. Now here you're gonna see the different versions of Minecraft. So you have the Bedrock edition, the Java edition, Minecraft Dungeons, and Minecraft Legends. Okay, now most people I know play Java edition, so you can just go ahead and click on the Java edition. And obviously before all that, you'll have to sign up or sign into your account. Obviously I've signed in, so it's already there, but you might have to sign in. After that, you're going to see these options, so choose the version you wish to purchase. So I'm just going to click on Java, and then I'm going to click on buy now. And then you'll have two options, either the Deluxe collection or the standard one. I think standard is more than enough, so I'm just going to click on it. So then you could also buy it as a gift or just buy for yourself. So I'm just going to click on checkout, and then it's going to tell me the prices here. So it's $29.99, and that's the price for the other one. I can just click on checkout. Then obviously you'll have to sign in with Microsoft. Yeah, so just wait for it automatically signed in. Then I have to click on next, continue with the payment, put in my credit card or debit card, or you could also pay with Klarna, PayPal, and there are many other options. Yeah, so you can continue with the payment, and once it's done, you can install the Java, Bedrock, or whatever edition you've bought. And yeah, that's basically it on how you can install Minecraft on your MacBook. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.